Hey, what's up everybody? Isto James here. Thank you for checking out the channel today. I want to just give you a heads up what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be doing some custom shoes with, in the form of the San Francisco 49ers for a friend of mine. What's really cool about this is the whole process, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get it going. well, friends, that's how you do it. That's how you customize some shoes and make them your own. I am a Broncos fan, so this one stung a little bit. I'm just kidding. I love doing art in general. I am a Broncos fan, but there it is what it is. When we look at these, I think they came out pretty good. I want to give a huge shout out to Erin for commissioning me to this project. It was a lot of fun. Thanks for your ideas and your input. And Wally, check it out, man. She hooked you up, bud. I hope you love them. The cool thing about this that I think is one of my favorite things about any custom shoes that I do is using that GAC 900. It makes this so pliable that once they walk in it, you can bend it, you can move it. The paint is not gonna crack. It is gonna bend and move with the shoe. I put some waterproofing on here, so essentially you could even wash the shoes. That's pretty cool. When you take the time to put the love and care into something like this, it's usually worthwhile, and it shows. So, to all my friends there watching this video, whether you are on the toilet or you're just in the comfort of your own bed, thank you so much for watching the Isto James channel. We really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that subscribe button, and leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Appreciate it. Hope you all have a great night. Enjoy the number 2.